Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I am going to show how you can install and run Powerpaint software in your Android with using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So let's get into the video. In this video, I am going to show how you can install and run Powerpaint software in your Android using Exagear Windows Emulator application. The Exagear Windows Emulator application, everyone knows that is a emulator application for Android phone, where you can install any PC software or you can use any PC software in it. So there are a lot of videos on my channel that have shown how you can run PC softwares. The Powerpaint software is an photo editing software. You can create illusions and create a lot of photos and edit photos. So in my previous video, I've already covered the video which I have shown how you can install and run Photoshop application, which is a very good and very well-known software for the PCs to edit photos. But my motto is to cover every single software which can be run in Android. So my channel is to show you how you can run any Windows in your Android, how you can run any Linux, how you can play any PC games, how you can install and run PC softwares. So I'm going to cover every single thing in my channel. So make sure to subscribe for upcoming videos. So in this video, I'm going to show how you can install and run Powerpaint software. So first of all, you need to download the application called Exagear Windows Emulator application. I have made a detailed separate tutorial video on how you can download, install and run Exagear Windows Emulator application. So basically this is the emulator for Android phone, which can run or install any PC software in an Android phone. So in my previous video, I've covered a lot of videos which have shown how you can run Microsoft Office, Photoshop, many PC softwares I have shown on my YouTube channel. You can check out my channel. So basically not everyone in this world can afford PC. So my motto is to help them, the people who don't have PC but want to use any PC software. Nowadays Android phones are very good to use with every single thing, but there are some things at the point where Android phone will not work for that things. So PC software is required. Some of the software which is not supported by the PC, there are some software which is not available for the Android. So at that situation, people may require to need PC, but some people don't. If you people don't have PC, you can run that software in your Android. So this is very helpful for the people who don't have PC. So my channel motto is to help those people who don't have PC. So let's back to the main point of this video. So Powerpaint the software. First of all, you have to download that. The downloading in the description. And the main update of my channel is I have transferred all the downloadings to the Telegram application, to my Telegram channel. If you don't have Telegram, make sure to download and create your account. In every single video, I have provided the download link of the Telegram, where you can get all the downloadings of the files through Telegram. Why not YouTube? Because YouTube are deleting all the links which I am providing. Everyone knows my channel is a very small channel, which is which have something 4,500 subscribers. So I'm requesting everyone to cooperate with my shortener links which I'm providing, so it will help my channel to get some revenue. So I have provided the download link in description, which is the Telegram channel link, and from there you get to my Telegram channel. If you don't have Telegram, don't worry, you can access the links from the link. If you don't have Telegram, just click on the link. It will open in any browser, and from that browser you can access all the links of the download of the file. And if you have Telegram, you just join my channel, and every video I will update every single link of any file. So first of all, you need to download the Powerpaint application. So as you can see, I have downloaded, and make sure after downloading it will be in the download folder of your Android internal storage. So this is my Android internal storage, and this is the download folder, and this is the Powerpaint application. It will be approx 2 MB. You don't need to worry about that. Now you have downloaded the Exagear Windows Emulator application, and you also downloaded the Powerpaint application. Now you have to open the Exagear Windows Emulator application. At first it will look like this. You have to click on the three lines, you have to click on the manage containers, and here you have to, at first you need to create a container. As I mentioned, I have already make a detailed tutorial video of the Exagear. You can check out that video. So this is the container. I'm going to click on the Run Explorer. So it will be going to landscape mode. So as you can see, it will be in the landscape mode. So I have done my Android phone. So let me just set up the camera and get back in. So just now I've set up my camera, and as you can see, this is the Exagear Windows Emulator application, and this is, so let me explain you from the beginning. So after opening Exagear Windows Emulator application, it will look like this. So as you can see, it will open the computer. So as you can see, this is like this. You have to open the D drive because Exagear Windows Emulator application always open the download folder as a D drive. So you have to open the D drive. After opening D drive, it will open all the files of your Android internal storage, which is in the download folder of your Android internal storage. So it will open the D drive as Android internal storage, so you can access all the files from your Android phone. So now as I've mentioned, I'm going to install the Powerpaint application. So this is the Powerpaint application. Now I am going to long press on it and just click to open. While two fingers you can zoom in, zoom out. So this is the keyboard. While clicking, you can select to open. Just click to next, and it will saying wait to install. So it will installing in the C drive. You have to click to next. And one more thing I'm going to clear. Exagear, what will storage going to take from your Android internal storage. So make sure you have a lot of storage if you're installing any heavy software. So in my upcoming video, try to explain that also. So it will saying additional create desktop icon, create quick launch icons. Let me just click to next and click to install. So as you can see, the Powerpaint software has been installed. So it will, so let me just uncheck the launch Powerpaint. So let me just click to finish. So let me just minimize the file manager. So as you can see, the Powerpaint software icon has been appear in the desktop of the Exagear Windows Emulator application. So this is the desktop, and here it will appear. Or you want to open from, you can open from the start button. So let me just click to start button and program. So as you can see, the Powerpaint. From here you can open the Powerpaint on the web, and you can uninstall from here only. So let me just click to Powerpaint software. I'm going to open it. So as you can see, as much as quick the software has been open here. So it will asking for the registration. Let me just click to register later. So it will giving us 25 days. After 25 days you can uninstall it and reinstall it, so you don't need to worry about the registration. So I have just tell you the quick hack about this. So as you can see, this is the Powerpaint 2.50 software paint 1. You can do editing in this software. You can, so it's the software is same look like Paint, but this is the Powerpaint software. In my previous video, I've already shown how you can install and run Paint software, the official version of the Microsoft Paint software, and this is the Powerpaint software. As you can see, like this, you can create, edit, you can import image. As I mentioned earlier before, you can access our Android internal storage in the D drive. If you want to import an image from your Android internal storage, make sure it will be in the download folder of your Android internal storage. From there you can import that image. Let me just show you. Click on the file. So you can click to open from here. So just click on the my computer D drive. So here you can access files. Currently there is no image file in my Android internal storage. From there you can open it, and you can create or edit, or as same you can save it your Android. While clicking on the save as, you can also save any edited images or JPG in your Android internal storage. So as you can see, this is the Powerpaint 2.50 software, perfectly working, installed on Android. You can access it anytime while using. As you can see, the Exagear is running in background. You just click to again click, and if you want to shut down the Exagear, you just click on the this arrow button and just click to OK. From next time, if you want to directly open, just click to Exagear, and here as you can see desktop. You have to just click on the Powerpaint button and it will starting up launching the application. Directly it will going to open the Powerpaint software. So as you can see, like this, you can open and you can continue your work. You can import your file and you can export to your PC. You can do a lot of editing. So as you can see, this is the Powerpaint software perfectly installed and running in Android. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.